Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to stake USDT on Binance. In order to do it, first of all, you will have to launch your Binance app. And here on the homepage, you will see the Earn tab. Now, if you are not able to see it on the homepage, you will have to tap on the More tab first. And now in the services, you will have to simply search for Earn. Now, once you type Earn, you will see different types of earning tabs, but you will have to tap on this one that says Start Earning with Your Crypto. Once you do this, you will be landed on this Earn page where you will have to basically subscribe for the staking option. So since you want to stake USDT, as you can see that for low risk, you are going to get 6.72% if you subscribe for this USDT option. So here you need to tap on the subscribe option in the bottom right hand corner, and this is flexible. But if you want to keep it fixed, you can just select the other option. Now you will have to enter the amount of USDT that you want to basically stake, and after that it will show you the equivalent amount of rewards that you are going to get. Plus you are going to get the rewards every single day, so it will be reflected on this page. Now once you are done with it, you will have to simply check this box on the bottom and tap on this confirm option in the bottom. This way you will be able to stake your USDT on Binance. Or if you want to stake any other crypto, you will have to simply go to the home page and select your favorite crypto which you want to basically stake, and you will have to follow the same steps. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Easy to understand tutorials about business, project management, softwares, social media apps, and more. Softpro dream to 100,000. Thanks for watching.